everyone! So for today's video, I will be doing my December 2017 GILTBOX unboxing video. So this month lang siya dumating. As usual, GILTBOXes usually ship on the last week of the month, which is kind of sad kasi late nyo na makikita yung mga products. Pero yun nga, nag-ship lang siya beginning of January, so dun ko lang siya na-receive. And yeah, I got it, and here is my box. So let's open it. I have seen what's inside, and guys, hindi ko na alam. So ayan siya when you open. In the front, you can just see the usual stuff, GILTBOX, blah blah blah. It's really a plain packaging, pink box, and this is how it looks like. Okay. Oh, okay. First, let's start with something I really do not like. I'm gonna be so harsh, but I'm so sorry. Pero this is from La Patria. It's a handmade soap. It's a sample size and looks like this. Alam niyo yung klaseng soap na parang sobrang tinitipid nyo na lang, as in yung parang natira na lang sa ginamit nyo. So it's so small. I don't think I'm gonna use this. So I don't really know what to say about this. From this pa lang, I don't even know. Okay, so next thing is a tampon, which is kind of really interesting kasi I've never seen I've never seen a tampon in like the grocery or anything, or baka hindi lang ako naghahanap, pero I'm really excited to. I don't know if I'm gonna try this, pero it's here. Let's try to open this. It's really interesting. It has multiple tampons. Oh, cool. Okay, so I didn't open this yet, pero it has the 3 sizes of tampons. So it has it doesn't have the size here, pero it has 3 tampons inside, and I have never tried any tampons, so this is kind of scary. Pero I've heard a lot of reviews for this Leduce tampon. So it has the 3 sizes. They look like bullets. So it has a paper that says, what is a tampon, benefits of using a tampon. So that's really nice, very helpful. Okay, so this is really interesting. It has the mini, normal, and super. So ayan siya. Okay, that's really nice. This is interesting. I like this. I've always been curious to how to use a tampon. So okay, this is kind of awkward, pero you know, we're girls. We use those stuff. Okay, so next thing is this one. Another thing that I really like. This is from Artistry, Hydra V Fresh Foaming Cleanser. I think all boxes receive one product from Artistry, which is a new brand, I think. And this is, I really like this because it's a cleanser, and I really love cleansers. So yeah, one of the cleansers that I really liked, I found from GILTBOX. So this is really nice also. And okay, so that's good. There's just 2 more things, which is kind of sad, pero it's okay. One is from Masquerade. This is a bentonite clay mask, and matagal ko na gustong itry yung mga clay mask na to. So we have a packet here. So that's really nice. Mix with apple cider vinegar or water. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water. So this is nice kasi ano siya, Ziploc. So you can just close this, tapos it's gonna be sealed again. So that's really nice. So another one is this one. This is a Sweet Solution Cinnamon Sugar Skin Scrub. This is a sample, and this one naman wala siyang Ziploc, so you can't really seal it back in place again. Pero it's just a scrub, and it's a really nice sample size. So yun, this is really interesting. I don't really know what this is for. It just says Simply gather an ample amount for desired area with a small spoon, rub together in your hands, and scrub with your skin. Hindi ako marunong basa. Rinse off with warm water. So, it's just a body scrub, which is really nice. Again, maganda yung sample size niya. Also, this one is not bad. Okay, so I received 4 decent products this month, and I really like it. I'm really interested with this one. Tapos, ang ganda rin ng sample size ng cleanser nila. Plus, these two are good sample sizes. I wish it came in a Ziploc pack, pero I think it depends on the brand, kung paano nila sinasample size. So, it's not really GILTBOX's fault. Pero, so far, 4 out of 5, I really like. The soap, though, I'm gonna just say, I cannot test a soap with just this thing. Pero, I guess, for the other 4 products, it's okay. Pero for this one, this is the only product that disappointed me. And, I don't know. 4 out of 5 is not too bad. It's really nice. But again, guys, I really don't know if I'm gonna recommend GILTBOX anymore. Kasi, I'm just really trying to finish up my 1-year subscription. And so far, it's really nice. They're parang nag-improve sila, pero I don't know. I don't think your money is gonna be really worth it if you subscribe for 1 year. Maybe try it for 3 months. Just keep on watching my GILTBOX reviews or my GILTBOX unboxing. Tapos, dun nyo na lang i-make up yung mind nyo if it's really worth it or not. Pero for me, I don't think I'm gonna repurchase it just because I'd rather just save up my money and buy something I really like instead of like being surprised. Pero, so, I'm impressed. Ngayon ko lang talaga inisip na, wow, okay pala yung mga products na nakuha ko this month or December. Pero, just the soap is like the soap is not really nice. So, yeah. I don't know. I just don't like the sample size, pero maybe maganda yung soap. But, yeah, the sample size is just not really that nice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this a thumbs up. Comment below what else you want to see. And subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna try and make more videos, but don't expect a lot from me. So, yeah. Bye!
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby.